Let us uphold the unity and the camaraderie he championed through his motto, one force, one mission. Though he may be gone, his spirit lives in the hearts of all of us who knew him. His legacy will endure as a beacon of hope for our nation. Rest in peace, General Ogolla. Your service will never be forgotten, and your sacrifice will always be remembered. Your Excellency, finally, we receive so many condolences on behalf of General Ogolla from friends, partners, and allies of Kenya Defense Forces and of our country under your leadership as our Commander-in-Chief. I want to just mention a few. The Secretary of Defense of the United States, my colleague and a friend, the Minister for Defense of Turkey, the Minister of Defense of Tanzania, the Minister of Defense of Ethiopia,